Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing? My name is Tess and I work at era92 as a marketer. I just want to show you guys something really cool that we're doing at era92 Enterprises. So first of all, this is a new space. For those of you who have visited us at our old offices, we used to be down there, somewhere there, the Great Gate. So now we get into the juice. Give you the juice. Welcome to our offices, era92. This is all the artwork we have for now. And this is the lobby. There's some really cool. Personally, I like, this is my favorite part about the office. This is where the videographers sit, filmmakers, branding team, and web team. This is the boss's office. I thought leaders put themselves, last, but somehow he has the best office. That's it. Thank you for coming with me on this tour, and we'll be expecting you. We are located along Kalema Road, Lunguja, just a few meters after the Vice President's home. Bye!